The Cirrus Vision Jet SF50 is sleek, modern, and offers a unique entry point into the world of jet ownership. But while its $3 million price tag grabs headlines, the real story lies in the ongoing costs that follow. From maintenance to training, insurance to hangar fees, owning the Vision Jet requires more than a hefty checkbook. It demands planning, knowledge, and commitment. Here's what you need to know. First things first, the purchase price. As of 2024, the Vision Jet starts around $3.2 million for a new fully equipped model. That includes avionics, safety features like the Cirrus airframe parachute system caps, and luxurious interior options. But just like any aircraft, the sticker price is only the beginning of the cost journey. Next comes training. Even experienced pilots must undergo type-specific training to fly the SF50 legally and safely. Cirrus offers comprehensive programs at its Vision Center in Knoxville. The initial course can cost between $20,000 and $30,000, depending on simulator time, flight hours, and travel expenses. Insurance is another significant cost. Premiums vary based on pilot experience, location, and coverage level. For a qualified pilot with several hundred hours, annual insurance might run from $25,000 to $40,000. Newer pilots could pay more until they build up hours in type. Hangar space is essential to protect the aircraft from weather and wear. Costs depend heavily on your location. In rural areas, it could be $500 a month. In high-traffic regions like Southern California or the Northeast, monthly hangar fees can exceed $2,000. Routine maintenance for the Vision Jet is relatively light compared to larger jets, but it's still an ongoing expense. Annual inspections alone can cost $15,000 to $20,000. Factor in wear and tear items, software updates, and occasional unexpected repairs. Cirrus offers a JetStream service program to cover scheduled maintenance, parts, and labor. It's popular among owners who prefer predictable costs. Pricing typically ranges from $170 to $250 per flight hour, depending on options, with a 50-hour annual minimum. Then there's fuel. The Vision Jet burns roughly 60 gallons per hour. At an average jet price of $6 per gallon, that's about $360 per hour just in fuel. For an owner flying 100 hours a year, that's $36,000 annually, more if you travel frequently or to high-cost airports. Then there's fuel. The Vision Jet burns roughly 60 gallons per hour. At an average jet price of $6 per gallon, that's about $360 per hour just in fuel. For an owner flying 100 hours a year, that's $36,000 annually, more if you travel frequently or to high-cost airports. Avionics subscriptions and software updates are another hidden cost. Services like GPS charts, GPS databases, and ADSB weather can total $2,000 to $3,000 a year. Staying current isn't just a convenience, it's a regulatory requirement for safe operation. Don't forget pilot supplies and upgrades. Headsets, portable oxygen, camera systems, or additional tech enhancements are common extras. Over a few years, these optional upgrades can easily total $5,000 or more, depending on how you customize your flying experience. Depreciation is a reality. The Vision Jet holds its value better than many aircraft, but expect it to lose around 10% to 15% in the first couple of years. Fortunately, high demand keeps the resale market active, which helps offset long-term ownership cost. Financing the jet brings another layer of cost. Assuming a 15-year loan at 6% interest and a 20% down payment, monthly payments can approach $20,000. For many owners, that's manageable, but it does add nearly $240,000 annually to your aircraft budget. Hiring a professional pilot. If you're not flying the SF50 yourself, salaries start around $80,000, $100,000 annually. Add training, travel expenses, and scheduling considerations, and that number can climb fast. However, most owners pilot the Vision Jet themselves. What about upgrades? New options like in-flight Wi-Fi, enhanced interior trims, or connectivity features can significantly increase initial or retrofit costs. Wi-Fi alone may run $10,000, $15,000 for equipment and subscriptions, depending on the solution chosen. The cost of time matters too. Owning a jet means managing inspections, scheduling flights, handling paperwork, and keeping up with FAA regulations. Some owners hire flight managers or use management companies, adding another layer of expense and complexity. There's also liability to consider. Accidents or incidents, even minor ones, can result in costly legal fees or settlements. It's wise to maintain robust legal and liability insurance, adding another few $1,000s per year to your overall spend. Weather delays, maintenance downtime, or restricted airspace can disrupt your plans. Some owners choose to charter when their jet is unavailable, which is a short-term fix but an additional cost. Redundancy planning is often overlooked but critical. To mitigate costs, some Vision Jet owners offset expenses by joining partnerships or flying under Part 135 charters. While not always simple to arrange, this can recoup tens of thousands annually. However, it comes with scheduling compromises and regulatory hurdles. Another consideration: exit strategy. If you plan to upgrade or sell, understanding the aircraft's market cycle and timing can save or cost you significantly. Cirrus models tend to hold value well, but knowing when and how to exit is part of responsible ownership. For many owners, the benefits still outweigh the costs. Time saved, flexibility, privacy, and the pure joy of flying your own jet offer value that's hard to quantify. The Vision Jet is more than a purchase, it's a lifestyle choice for those who prioritize freedom. Owning the Cirrus Vision Jet SF50 isn't just about affording a sleek $3 million jet. It's about understanding the real, ongoing responsibilities, financial and operational, that come with it. From insurance and hangar space to training and maintenance, being a Vision Jet owner means you're not just buying a plane, you're buying into an ecosystem of performance, safety, and flexibility. For those ready, the payoff is a whole new world in the sky.